Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn some important current affairs questions which are very important for upcoming Group 2 examinations and Railway ALP examinations. Let's go through the questions. On 8th of November, Ayurveda Day celebrated on a grand scale across the country. The ninth edition of Joint Military Exercise Mitra Shakti 2023, took place in Andhra, Pune. The President of India confers the 69th National Film Awards in New Delhi. The Mera Yuva Bharat platform for youth is inaugurated in New Delhi. First green hydrogen fuel cell bus was flagged off in New Delhi. G20 Leaders Summit held at New Delhi's iconic Bharat Mandapam. Indian Space Research Organization successfully launches India's first solar mission, Aditya L1, from Sriharikota range. Chandrayaan 3 successfully soft lands on the surface of Moon in the South Pole area. India participates in the 20th Asian Indian Economic Ministers meeting held in Semarang, Indonesia. The Prime Minister of India on the 77th Independence Day announced the launch of PM Vishwakarma Yojana that will benefit individuals skilled in traditional craftsmanship. Chandrayaan 3 launched on July 14th from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Prime Minister conferred with the Grand Cross of the Legion of Honor, France's highest award in Paris. International paraswimmer Satyendra Singh Lohia felicitated for scripting history by crossing the English Channel to and fro. Gandhi Peace Prize for the year 2021 conferred on Geeta Press, Gorakhpur. 9th International Yoga Day was celebrated on 21st June 2023. New generation ballistic missile Agni Prime successfully flight tested off the Odisha coast. Prime Minister conferred with the Grand Companion of the Order of Logohu, the highest civilian award of Papua New Guinea. Sanchar Saarthi portal was launched, which was developed to prevent frauds such as identity theft, forged KYC, banking frauds. Rajasthan's first Vande Bharat Express between Ajmer and Delhi cantonment flagged off successfully. Adi Mahotsav, the mega national tribal festival organized in New Delhi. 21 unnamed islands of Andaman and Nicobar Islands named after 21 Paramveer Chakra awardees. 108th session of Indian Science Congress was held in Nagpur successfully. The year 2023 is commemorated as the Year of Millets. Thank you.